You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Ooh! Sike!
Sike!
You kiss your mother with that mouth?
Mission abort.
I got you, fam! Shut up!
Enemy spotted.
Heavy machine gun. Rocket launcher. Shotgun. Grenade.
Do you even lift, bro?
Get over here!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Finish him. Denied.
FBI, open up!
Bruh.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Easy!
Target acquired. Target neutralized.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Wait a minute.
Nope.
Roger that.
It's over 9,000!
Thank you.
What? Oh no.
Need backup.
Nani? Perfect.
Huh?
Hello? Hi.
Oh!
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Headshot.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Helicopter, helicopter!
Good job.
Let's do this.
At least it's not raining.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. Prepared to die.
You are dead.
No! Then check this out.
Now that's a lot of damage!
What the hell is even that?
Wow. Incredible.
Nice.
Patience. Don't do anything stupid.
Let's go.
Yeah, boy. I got you, homie.
What's up, boys?
Run.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Amazing!
No, 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 no.
Huh? Fatality. Game over.
A few moments later.
Do it! Just do it!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Prepared to die.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Then check this out.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me! Hey, hey! Chill, chill!